I made a video about how to build for iOS without having a MacBook. But what if you want to preview your app before running the build? In today's video, that's what we'll be looking at. So go into your postpress.yaml file and add the device preview dependency. Then go into your main.dat file, and inside your main.dat you add the device preview, and then in your builder you add the app you want to preview, in this case which is my app. Then in your material app you add the device preview.local, and then for your builder you have the device preview.app builder, and that's all. You are ready to preview your app. So we'll be previewing this app I built doing a live stream, a silent live stream on Friday. If you have not seen that, I'll link that in the description. This is just how to preview your app on different devices. You can preview on iPhone, different iPhones, as you can see here. You can preview on Android, you can preview Linux, Windows, any device. You can even set up custom sizes that you want. So yeah guys, this is just how to preview on different devices, even if you don't have a MacBook. If you enjoy this, kindly subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to watch how to build for iOS without having a MacBook, I'll put the video in the description below. Thanks for watching.